Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a colorful and delicious dry fish fry. Let's get started. First we are cleaning the dry fish. Remove the head, tail and fins. This comes off quite smoothly. Once cleaned, cut the fish into pieces and soak them in water for about 10 minutes to reduce the saltiness. After that, give them a good rinse and transfer them to another bowl. Now let's spice it up. Add some chili powder to the fish. No need for salt because the dry fish already has plenty of it. Mix everything well, ensuring the chili powder coats the pieces evenly. Next, heat up a pan and pour in a bit of extra oil. This is key to getting the perfect fry. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then toss in the dry fish mixture and salt it well. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook thoroughly. And finally, to finish things off, add some fresh curry leaves for that amazing aroma and flavor. And there you have it, the colorful and tasty dry fish fry ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.